Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings disclaimer. Thisworx Car Vacuum Cleaner, Portable Handheld Mini Vacuum Cleaner W/16-foot cord, bag, and attachments, small vacuum for car, RV, boats, travel, car accessories. Practical, a mini vacuum for car or truck that is compact, lightweight, 2.4 pounds, and easy to use. Equipped with a HEPA filter, this small dustbuster is ready for ash, dust, or drive-thru food spills. A fully loaded interior car detailing kit housed in an ergonomic design. Powerful, this handheld vacuum is made for on-the-go use and solving out-of-reach problems. A very sandy day at the beach? A coat of dog hair? The portable vacuum cleaner for car is designed to solve problems. Strong suction. The cyclonic force and strong suction of the 106W motor on these handheld vacuums will terminate any dirt, debris, or hard-to-reach crumbs. Our mini car vacuum even has a top-of-the-line washable filter. cleaningKit includes 3 attachments for detailing: flathead, extendable, or brush nozzle, carry bag, filter brush, and spare HEPA filter. Must-have car accessories for women or men. These gadgets will keep the interior cute and tidy. Thanks for watching and subscribe.